Evening, guys. We are going to Bangalore to.
See the tunnel.
You can see the tunnel. You see the tunnel. Okay. You can see no. So we were going to Bangalore to Kerala Kottayam route. So there is a tunnel. They told. See the tunnel is starting now, guys. See, guys, we are going into a tunnel in Kerala. If you want to visit, come to Kottayam. See, guys, we are in the tunnel. Okay. It's very noisy in tunnels.
80 kilometer speed.
Only 80 kilometer speed in tunnel. But we are going in the okay, the tunnel is finished. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you also want to come to Kerala Kottayam, please